Alright, Clark back here with Potential Pantry. My man Brendan behind the camera. We're here focusing on cherry blossoms now. Now, cherry blossoms are one of my favorite springtime ingredients because you can utilize it in so many different ways. Sakura is the Japanese term for cherry blossoms, and it refers both to the method of processing as well as to the ingredient itself. Think of something like kimchi. It refers to the process as well as the end ingredient. Sakura, S-A-K-U-R-A. So, cherry blossoms, we're gonna pick these off right here and see. Now, as I was saying, the process to these is very, very important because these do contain cyanide, a poison, something that would be lethal to us in any sort of quantity. So, the way that we remove the cyanide from these is we salt leach them. So I take them and I blanch them in heavily salted water. That will pull out this flavor that you'll recognize as a toasted almond flavor. Now, you're gonna wanna discard that first blanch of salt water and utilize these in a variety of different ways after that. Once they've been blanched in salt water, they can be pickled, they can be salt fermented, you can do a lot of different things with them, or you can just cook them into a syrup and get that toasted almond flavor from the second extraction. You're gonna remove a lot of the cyanide in the first extraction, making them easy for us to process in any way that we utilize after that. So, Sakura or cherry blossoms. They should be growing all around us right now. But again, very, very important to process these. And the way that we're gonna identify these is this silvery bark to the tree right here. Silvery, it would almost peel right off. But Sakura, AKA cherry blossoms, a fantastic spring flavor that you can preserve and utilize year round for that favorite taste of spring. So go out there, find some cherry blossoms. Clark Barlowe from Potential Pantry, always sharing the good stuff.